Whenever someone in our house wanted something sweet, there was no need to go to the market. Mom would roast Suji in ghee, and within a minute, the whole house would smell amazing. Even today, one bowl of this Suji Halwa bring back those memories. First roast chopped cashew and almond in ghee until golden. Then keep them aside. In the same ghee, roast the suji until it's slightly golden and fragrant. Don't let it turn brown. Now add sugar and stir until it starts to melt. Pour in a coconut milk. Add pinch of salt and cardamom powder. Then mix everything well. Cook until the halwa becomes soft, smooth and leaves the side of the pan. Transfer it to a plate. Garnish with the roasted nuts. Let it cool slightly. Simple ingredients, rich taste and pure homemade comfort. Follow Triple Tadka for more easy and delicious recipes.